Something tells me I should be recording this, so here we go. Attempting to replace this valve with this valve. That was just too. Holy shit, this valve. Hopefully there's no water in this line. Let me go discharge it just as easy it is. Alright. Most of the water in the line has been released. So, here we go. Putting the pieces to the valve over here to the side. That's what I think I was. I should not even play around with it. Just go ahead and get her doing. But I really like to do minimal alterations if I can. If I can get away with salvaging this guy, I would. But I don't think it's worth it. We're gonna cut this guy out. My first time using this pipe cutter for home use. I was a pipe fitter for a while at a company I worked for. I know one thing's for sure. I want to save as much pipe as possible. Hey everybody, Asa came down. Everybody say hi to Asa. Hi Asa. Asa, say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
That's my Asa. There we go. What are you looking for, Asa? Is yogurt in there? Now I know I could be probably a lot more brutal, but I want to save the shape of the pipe also. Don't want to cave it in and stop it from seeping. Hey, all right. Sounds like we just hit a little release. So as I was saying, I heard it piss. I heard some relief. Huh? Perfectly clean bucket catching all the runoff. While that's happening, let me just go ahead and size this girl up. Water comes from that side also. That's probably runoff from that other spigot that even with the water shut off, even that valve shut off, it was leaking. Let these guys do what they do, making me have to pee. I just want to take a quick look here. I definitely half-inch, okay. I bought half-inch and 3/4 because I do not know pipe sizes by sight. It's a hot mess over on that side of town. Maybe I'll plug this so we can get moving. No, actually no, we're not working for it. Still got to figure out the cut on this side. I think the cut should be shallow. Yeah, definitely shallow. Shallow, yeah. Not necessarily. We got this flex hole. This flex hole is very long. So I can cut literally just past this dumb junction here and then have pipe to salvage. That's the move. Just past the junction and keep pipe to salvage. It's Sunday, you know, worst case scenario, my family got to do without water for a whole day. And there's been worse things happen in the world. We are in a pandemic. You know I love them. You know I love the things that they're better. Trying to save some hot days so we can have water outside. Not having the spigots be available with 2 4-year-olds for 93 days. It's not a good look. That's not what it is. This is support here. So I have to move this support probably here or here. Okay, this is going to be here. I don't think that's going to fit through here. I might be able to adjust the support to wrap around this guy. Alright, let's get this back up. And they cut relatively easy. I seem to recall it taking more spins, more cuts, but then again, that other stuff I was working on was like pipeline. It was actuators for like gas companies, Exxon, Chevron. These were actuators that actually went into their plants. So the pipe is probably a thicker gauge. Now, this one has water in it, which I doubt it does. It's gonna drip here, which means I probably should get another bucket on standby, just in case. I'm gonna use this just to see if I can prop it under here. You know, I would like for the pipe to stop spinning, but it is what it is. Let me go find another bucket. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is my burner slash boiler runoff bucket. And I drain off the dirty water and give it some fresh water. Back to work. Pipe cut. Down in the basement, cut the pipe. Huh? Hey, got him. No water, we clean. So this is the support that was supporting the weight of the pipe before. My intent is to open up this loop to be big enough to hold this. So this is gonna basically be a replacing where this was, and I still would like for it to have the support. Now, I hate to say, when I took this off to show you guys, the screw fell out. Oh, there you go. Found it. So back this guy out. Actually, back it out. Just look at the size. Maybe I can open up this. Is the existing loop big enough for the pipe to fit in? Because it doesn't look like an easy bend to get this thing to fit in. So let's see. Let's see. My eyes tell me no, but my body's telling me yes, baby. I don't want to hurt nobody. Fits. All right, so we're good there. I can always slip that on, right? Once that's up, slip it on, put the screws in, bang. All right, so we got the support straight. Now, bam. I need a piece of pipe from here to slap in there, and then bam. And you should be golden. You should be looking how that get golden. I'm gonna have to take a section from in here. That's too short. Yeah, I want a nice piece. But actually, you know what? Go ahead and try to measure it out. Measure twice, cut once. Where's my tape measure? Oh, here we go. Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron. Cut this scrap pipe just after the solder from the original job. Who knows who did it? Probably the owner though. I could tell my man was like, you know what, after a while, I'm just gonna stop paying these contractors to rip me off. I'm just gonna try to figure out how to do this stuff myself. Because I'm at that point. I fixed, in the basement alone, I have fixed my, I should have got a cleaner. Clean off the edges. I just now remember from my old job, you know, you want to dress the cut ends up, and there are tools for that. Anyway, my washer. I fixed my washer. When I say fix the washer, I mean it was not washing clothes, it was not draining. I had to open up the bottom, get in there, and find out that it was like the filter and One of the leads, one of the electrical leads was rusted, so I had to clip the lead, attach a new connector. It got crazy. It got crazy, but I got it done. And that's what you do, you know? You just figure out what needs to be done. Everything is doable. Some jobs are really big, like the other spigot in this basement. I'm not messing with that. It's just too much. It's too close to the wall. There's going to be a certain portion of taking off siding outside, taking some wood down on the inside. That'd be 4.5. Right? Yeah, 4.5. Bulletproof glass tints if I want some. Storm glass, squeeze first, ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters fast. What else did we do down here? Didn't have to fix the fridge. I wired I hosed the deep sink for the washer. No big deal. The exhaust for the dryer. No big deal. But I understand a lot more of what goes on in the basement. Like the boiler. I really need to get my boiler game up too. Because like there's maintenance PMS that you can do on the boiler to help the boiler just run forever. And this thing has already been running forever. She's not young. So I gotta make sure. So I went 4.5. So I got 4.5 inches of pipe here. Pause. 4.5 inches of pipe. Alright. So that goes there. This goes here. This goes here. And then that goes there. Alright. Never done it before, so let me just read the instructions real quick. I don't know, there's some kind of like a measurement or something. Alright, so this is on, off. Right there is off. I want to turn it on, boom. Yeah, so that's the way I want to do it right there. All right. On, off. Righty tighty, let's get this right. Okay. Here we go. All right, guys. No time, nothing to it, but ain't nothing to it but to do it. But let's do this first. On this side. Let's just measure everything out. We have 20 on the numbers. Which kind of makes me like this. But in actuality, with the flex, it's coming down to like 18 on a straight shot. So that 20 was compensating for a curve. Hey, Dios mío, here we go. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. Go here first. When in now? Now it's no going back. All right, now there is a tool that you can buy to disconnect these things. I picked up the wrong size of that tool and then came straight home instead of going back to get it. Right now I'm gonna apply water to the system. We're gonna do it, and we're gonna see. Hang tight. And actually, you know what? We'll do it real time. Y'all be patient, I gotta go get my wife's help. Stop what you do. All right, y'all, I'm about to pressurize the house. Here we go. Oh boy. That's in there. One last check. One last check. All right. All right, babe, the house is pressurized. Now I'm gonna open the valve here first, okay? Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, so far so good. Open it up, babe, go for it. Just one. It's a small one. I think I can take care of it though. So we got a small leak right here. The guy at the store told me, he was like, listen, don't use the shark bites because I've always had a problem with leaking. This guy has got a slight leak. Let's see if maybe it sees itself now. Pressurize again. Get that line put away. Hit it with some flow. Couple little absorbency. Got it up nice and good. Now, I got the torch. Say hi to the people.
Hey, people.
So I got the torch, right? And in the kit came the little pipe
We'll
thing.
see the plumber.
Look,
Hey,
man.
we'll
It's a
see the
drip.
plumber.
It's a
Hey.
drip. It's a drip. It's a very, very reluctant drip. But I don't know if they seal over time. Like there was a little drip in it. Like, because it may be like still bonding or I don't know if it's curing.
There's nothing that you're supposed to put around it?
No,
Like
I got tape. That's what I'm saying. I got tape. I'm gonna tape this connection here. That one had a long, it was like a slow beat up of a bill. Like this is super slow.
You proud?
Well, the people right there, so I can't let them see how proud I am. I'm a little soaked. I mean, I think getting it done is good, but the guy at the place, I met another guy today. He wasn't a plumber, he was a homeowner like me. And I was saying I was coming back to get the shark bite. He's like, no, I don't like the shark bites. I like this other thing. I forget what it was called, but it was kind of like another shortcut to piping. But this actually, I like the way this looks.
Yeah.
You know? Oh.
Daddy?
Yes.
Outside?
Everybody, this is Aaron. Say hi, Aaron. Aaron, say hi to the people.
Hi, people.
Now, what do you want?
Outside, I was sitting on the tire swing, and I was so dizzy, and I was saying, whoa, this is so dizzy. I get dizzy, and then I got on the
Are you living your best life? Are you having fun?
Yes,
Yeah?
I'm having fun.
Having fun? Say, look over there. Say, I'm having fun.
I'm having fun.
That's all I care about. Now, give me the one. Do you want a yogurt?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Now, you boo-boo. Hey, that was my wife, y'all. Say hi to her. Y'all better screw her. Okay, this is the squeezer. Babe, did you put this strongbow back down here with the top on it?
Yes.
Yes, you did, of course. You think that would keep the strongbow not whack, right? Let's see if it...
No, I used it as a chaser for my, even if it goes flat, it's fine. I'm just using it as a chaser for, well, I guess I won't be using it.
Yeah, here, I'll put it here, put it back. I'm gonna give me a new one.
That's all I'm using it.
Nah, what you trying to say I got the COVID? She trying to say I got the COVID, y'all.
You said it, not me.
Open this up and see what you guys follow these. Let's see. What you doing now? Oh yeah, that leaf came up. Came up quick that time. I don't like that. So, we put a couple of wraps of tape on that puppy. And we'll see. But hey, till next time. Appreciate you. Real quick. There was a leak coming from this fitting right at this juncture. I took this pipe out. I don't have the special tool, so I used an adjustable, because the way it works is you depress that ring back into it, it releases the shark teeth and you can pull the pipe out. So pull the pipe out, and this end that's in here now was in this side. I did that first, flipped it, it still leaked. So, because I thought it might be the cut on the pipe. So what I did was I took it out again, and then I taped the pipe first, and then I jammed it into that fitting, and I put it under pressure, and so far so good. I'll keep you updated. But that's it, replacing the spigot valve in the basement for about maybe less than about $45. All right, peace. And we're back in business. The babies get a little water, what they need. Less than $45.